Chapter 19, Properties of a Magnetic Field. Hello students, have you ever played with magnets and seen how they attract pins or paper clips without touching them? Isn't it amazing? But have you ever wondered how they do it? In this chapter, we'll explore the invisible power of magnets, called the magnetic field. Let's discover how it works and how it helps us in real life. What is a magnetic field? A magnetic field is the invisible region around a magnet where its force can be felt. If you place a paperclip near a magnet, it jumps. That's because it is inside the magnetic field. The force is strongest near the poles, the north and south poles of the magnet. Magnetic field lines. Now, how can we see this invisible field? We use magnetic field lines to show it. These lines come out from the North Pole, go into the South Pole, never cross each other, are closer near the poles where the field is stronger. You can sprinkle iron fillings around a magnet and see the curved patterns. That's the magnetic field in action. Direction of magnetic field. The direction of the magnetic field is always from the North Pole to the South Pole. If you place a compass needle near a magnet, it will point in the direction of the field. This is how compasses help in finding direction. This is how compasses help in finding directions. Earth is a giant magnet. Here's something cool. The Earth itself is a huge magnet. It has a magnetic north and a magnetic south pole. That is why the compass needle always points north, even if you're on a boat or in a forest. People have used this to travel safely for hundreds of years. Magnetic field from electric current. Did you know that electricity can also make a magnetic field? Yes, when current flows through a wire, it creates a magnetic field around it in circle shapes. Use your right hand. Thumb shows the current's direction. Curled fingers show the magnetic field direction. This is known as the right hand rule. Where magnetic fields are used. We use magnetic fields in many important things. Electric motors that run fans, loudspeakers that make sound, generators that make electricity, cranes that lift metal scraps, MRI machines in hospitals. So even though we can't see magnetic fields, they are very useful. Conclusion. Let's quickly revise what we have learned today. A magnetic field is the space where a magnet's force works. Magnetic field lines show its shape and strength. The field is strongest at the poles. The Earth has its own magnetic field. That is why compasses work. Electric current can also make a magnetic field. Magnetic fields are used in many machines and tools. So students, the next time you use a fan, a speaker, or even look at a compass, remember, a magnetic field is working behind the scenes.